Ulit pa nga ba talaga ito? Carb type na Raider 150. Meron tayo ditong 4-stroke, oil-cooled, dual overhead cam, 4-valve, single cylinder. Maximum power na 11.5 kilowatts at 9,500 RPM. Maximum torque naman 12.4 Newton meter at 8,500 RPM. Average fuel consumption 40 kilometers per liter. Displacement naman niya to be exact is 147.3 cc. Bore and stroke na 62 by 48.8 millimeters. Compression ratio dito na 10.2:1. Tire size naman meron tayo ditong 70 by 90. Meron naman tayo ditong telescopic fork. Itong single hydraulic disc, meron tayong tire size na 80 by 90 by 17. Meron din tayong disc brake sa likod. Meron na tong 6-speed manual transmission. Fuel tank capacity naman niya is 4.2 liters. Seating position niya naka-upright. Nakababa ng seat height is only 764 millimeters. Ground clearance 140 millimeters. Nakagaan nga rin pala ng motor na to 107 kilograms lang. Semi-digital na siya. Ang SRP nga pala ng Raider 150 carb ay 101,900 pesos. Raider 150.